Hello and welcome to this Islandora tutorial on managing objects in your digital collection. We will be managing an object today by modifying metadata and other data streams, assigning an IP embargo, deleting an item, and showing other available features. The first step is logging in, using an account with the necessary credentials for managing an object. Then we must navigate to the object you wish to manage. Once there, most object management can be done under the Manage tab. The first links you may notice are those that will allow you to change this object's relationship to its own root collection or other collections. Objects can be moved to another collection or shared with more than one collection. Now let's go over editing an object's metadata. This is the object I created in a previous tutorial, and let's say I'd like to change that object's title. To do that, we're going to go into the object's data streams and edit the mods record. And we need to choose the correct mods form that was used at the time of ingest. And that was the basic image mods form. From here, we can make any changes to the mods record and save them by clicking the Update button. Once complete, we'll go back into the Manage tab and view the data streams. As you can see, Islandora tracks the versions of your metadata as you make changes. By clicking on the version link, you can view the changes, delete versions, and roll back to prior versions. If we return to the Data Streams menu, we see there are other data streams that can be edited, downloaded, deleted, replaced, or regenerated based on permissions and ways that your collection is configured. For example, this data stream is the object itself, a basic image in this case. If I created a higher resolution version of this image, or learned that it was the wrong image, I could replace it. I have the green check. It successfully created derivatives for this object, and now I have a new object to go with this metadata. In this case, the correct object, the penguin image. Let's once again return to the Data Streams menu. And we see now, because I've added a new object, new derivatives were created, and now there is a new version. In addition to the Data Streams tab, we have the Properties tab. The Properties tab is important because this is where you can remove an object from the repository permanently. As an alternative, you can mark an object's state as deleted without actually removing it from the repository. The Compound tab allows you to associate your object with a parent object. The Object Policy tab allows you to apply certain Fedora level, database level access policies and restrictions at the object level. Other remaining tabs allow you to view and or download the technical metadata and mark XML code for this item. Finally, we have the IP Embargo tab. If your collection has configured IP address ranges for embargo, you can choose one of them and apply them here. And give a date when these embargoes might expire. You set the embargo by clicking on this button. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview of many aspects of object management. Thanks for watching.